times now to use in the field, looking for some of these game pieces. There goes the competition bridge. Purple Haze. Get some of those game pieces over into the blue side of the court. Shoot and miss on the red side, shoot and miss again. Team Drift can't quite get their shots on target there, that's okay. Plenty more game pieces out there. The Insomniacs lining up in front of that Blue Alliance bridge. Gonna try to tip it down, clear that bridge. Game pieces, so it's clear for the Blue Alliance and now it's on it later. A lot of action down on the blue side of the court. That's 40-91 Team Drift. Trying to take some of those balls off the blue side of the court, shoot them over to the red side. Over their partner, Frolicking Nerds. Are they going to try to put them into those red hoops? 5 robots on the blue side. Looks like Banana showing some of their signage on the field. Purple Haze says it's time for competition, folks. Come on with me. Combat says let's dance. Going to try for some competition points. We're at about 15 seconds left to give that competition bridge a try. Combat trying to push Purple Haze up the competition bridge. They're running out of time though. 9:45 says I'll help you guys up. 2, 3, 2, 1.